Today we are making Spanish olive oil and almond microwave brownies. This recipe serves 9 people and takes about 25 minutes from start to finish. Let us get started. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 6 ounces of 70% dark chocolate, chopped for easy melting. 1/3 cup plus 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil, the Spanish touch that keeps the brownies fudgy. 2 large eggs to bind and add richness. 1/2 cup of granulated sugar for sweetness and shine. 1/2 cup of finely ground almonds, also called almond flour, for a tender crumb. 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour to hold the batter together. Zest of 1 orange, finely grated, for a bright aroma. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder for a gentle lift. 1 pinch of fine salt to balance the sweetness. 1 pinch of flaky sea salt for finishing, optional but delicious. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Grease a 20 cm square microwave-safe glass dish with 1 teaspoon of the olive oil. In a microwave-safe bowl, add the chopped dark chocolate and 1/3 cup of olive oil. Microwave for 30 seconds, stir, then heat in 20-second bursts, stirring each time until smooth, about 1 to 2 minutes total. Let the chocolate and olive oil mixture cool for 2 minutes so it will not scramble the eggs. In a large bowl, whisk 2 eggs with 1/2 cup of sugar until pale and slightly thick, about 1 minute, then whisk in the zest of 1 orange. Pour the cooled chocolate and olive oil mixture into the egg mixture and whisk until fully combined and glossy. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of ground almonds, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 pinch of fine salt. Add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture and fold just until no dry spots remain. Do not overmix. Scrape the batter into the greased dish and smooth the top. Drizzle the remaining 1 teaspoon of olive oil over the surface. Microwave on high for 3 minutes. Let the brownies stand for 30 seconds. If your microwave does not rotate, turn the dish a half turn, then microwave 1 minute more on high. Check doneness. The edges should be set and the center slightly fudgy. If needed, continue microwaving in 15-second bursts, up to 1 additional minute. Rest the brownies in the dish for 10 minutes to finish setting. Sprinkle a pinch of flaky sea salt over the top and let it cool 5 minutes more. Cut into 9 squares and serve warm or at room temperature. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you love these microwave brownies, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a recipe.